High-protein foods are essential for gym enthusiasts as they support muscle repair, recovery, and growth. Here's a list of high-protein foods that can fuel your workouts. Animal-based protein sources. 1. Chicken breast, 31 grams of protein per 100 grams, lean and versatile, great for meal prepping. 2. Eggs, 6 grams per large egg, a complete protein with essential amino acids. 3. Greek yogurt, 10 grams per 100 grams, high in protein and probiotics for digestion. 4. Turkey, 29 grams per 100 grams, lean meat, low in fat. 5. Salmon, 25 grams per 100 grams, high in protein and omega-3 fatty acids. 6. Tuna, 25 grams per 100 grams, a low-fat option, great for salads or sandwiches. 7. Cottage cheese, 11 grams per 100 grams, high in casein protein, ideal for muscle repair overnight. 8. Lean beef, 26 grams per 100 grams, packed with iron and creatine for energy. Plant-based protein sources. 1. Lentils, 9 grams per 100 grams cooked, a great source of protein and fiber. 2. Chickpeas, 7 grams per 100 grams cooked, versatile for salads, hummus, or snacks. 3. Quinoa, 8 grams per cup cooked, a complete protein and gluten-free grain alternative. 4. Tofu, 8 grams per 100 grams, excellent for vegetarians, absorbs flavors well. 5. Edamame, 11 grams per 100 grams, young soybeans, perfect as a snack. 6. Seitan, 21 grams per 100 grams, a high-protein wheat-based meat substitute. 7. Hemp seeds, 9 grams per 3 tablespoons, rich in healthy fats and amino acids. Protein snacks and supplements. 1. Protein bars, 15 to 25 grams per bar, convenient for on the go. 2. Whey protein powder, 20 to 30 grams per scoop, quick and efficient for post-workout recovery. 3. Beef jerky, 9 grams per 28 grams, portable, high-protein snack. Tips for maximizing protein intake. Combine sources, pair plant-based proteins to create complete amino acid profiles, for example, rice and beans. Space intake. Distribute protein evenly throughout the day to optimize muscle synthesis. Pre- and post-workout. Aim for a high-protein meal or snack 1 to 2 hours before and immediately after exercising. Would you like specific meal prep ideas using these? Why not leave us a comment below and we will be more than happy to share some of our recipes with you. Thank you.